Hey folks, today we're diving into 5 mind-blowing science adventure things that will leave you in awe. Let's get started. 1. Blast off into space and explore the wonders of the universe. 2. Dive deep into the ocean and discover the mysteries hidden beneath the waves. 3. Unleash your inner scientist and conduct experiments that will blow your mind. 4. Embark on a thrilling jungle adventure and uncover the secrets of nature. 5. Gaze up at the stars and marvel at the beauty of the night sky. In these points, which point is very effective to you? Write a comment in the below section. Stay positive, stay focused, and watch your dreams come true. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and support for more empowering content. Have a happy day.